everybody, it is me, Abby, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a really fun and different look. Now, I've been really trying to get better ideas for my YouTube videos, more that'll bring more attention to my channel, which obviously I'm a very small channel, but that doesn't mean, it can become big, if you know what I'm saying. So anyways, that's basically what I've been working on. And I want to do a different look today, and this is I'm going to be basically starting a new series, but I'm going to be introducing that series to you guys next week. It's really exciting, by the way, so get ready. This is just going to be a fun look today. It's going to be a sunset, I think I'm going to call it pink lemonade type of vibes, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, that's basically what I'm going to be doing. And yeah, if you guys are not already subscribed, make sure you press the subscribe button down below, and also like this video, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, let's just get right on into the video. Alright guys, so I'm going to start with brows, because lately I've been starting with brows. It's just easier for me, and I just like it better, because I don't have to go like this and ruin my foundation down here. So what I've been using recently is this It Cosmetics Brow Power Brow Pencil. This is so good. I love it so much. Sorry, I'm reaching into my drawers. But this is so good. I honestly just love it. I think it's a wonderful brow product, and it's a really easy product. So there's a spoolie on one side, as you guys can see, and then there's the pencil on the other side, and this is in the shade Universal. So I'm going to go ahead and just fill in my brows, right here to my tip, from my tip, and just go all the way around and just kind of follow my natural brow shape. See how that looks, that one, compared to that one? Just looks so much better. Guys, so now once the brows are filled in, I'm going to be going in with this. This is another product that I've been loving lately. This is the Brow Drama in Blonde, but this is in Blonde, and since my eyebrows are looking a bit dark, sometimes they can look unnaturally dark. They don't look that bad today, but I'm still going to apply this brow gel, and it will not only lighten them up a bit, but it'll also, if I missed any spots in my brows, this will do a great job to just fill them in. Start with a little tape shape on the eyelids, or I just said tape shape. I'm going to start with a little shape tape on the eyelids, just because, I just like to use this to prime, and you really need nothing. I probably applied way too much, to be honest. But guys, I'm just going to blend this concealer in with a random little brush here. This is actually a blending brush, but I know they're clean brushes, so I just pulled this out, and it's honestly doing an amazing job of blending it out. And I'm actually going to pop into the Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics pot and just use these two colors for a lid shape. So just, if you don't have this palette, just use a powder or really anything. Now I'm going to be going into the NYX Ultimate Basics. I absolutely adore this palette. I think it is such amazing quality. This is all you need, and it's less than $20. I think that's a great deal. I don't know about you guys, but girl, I'm about to snatch that up. Pink colors right there. I might also go into this one a little bit. So basically these three right here, just as a nice colorful transition. So this is kind of a pink lemonade, sunset eye type of look. Not sunset eye, but we're going for that. But it's not called a sunset eye. It's just a little pink lemonade type of look. I'm actually inspired. I created a look, and I was like, oh my god, this looks like a pink lemonade type of look. So I've already been experimenting with this. Already kind of been experimenting with these type of looks for a little bit. That's why I wanted to do a video on them. But I saw Annika Osterland's, I saw a picture, or I was actually on YouTube, and I was just binge watching her videos, because she's my freaking queen. But literally she created a look, and it was so similar to mine. She called it pink lemonade, and I'm like, oh my god, that is genius. I'm gonna be taking this color right here. It kind of has a pinkish purple, and I'm gonna be mixing these two just to maybe create more depth. I'm not really sure what I'm going for here, but I know pink lemonade isn't purple, but I don't really care. Alright guys, so I just rediscovered the movie Lemonade Mouth. I totally forgot about her. And I don't know why, because it's so good. If you're an OG Disney fan, then you'll know what I'm talking about. Even if you're not, honestly. Like, why do I keep doing that? Oh my god. Even if you're not an OG Disney fan, like, you should know what this is, because it was literally the most iconic Disney movie that was ever created, in my opinion. Like, that, like, wow. Like, just wow. But I just kind of blended the purple in the crease, and it really, I feel like it brought out the pink more, so honestly it works. I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape again, and I'm going to be using this really small precision detail brush from the Vintage Cosmetic Company that I got in my March BoxyCharm. And I'm going to go ahead and just carve out, I'm going to do a half cut crease with this, and you want to make sure that, like, not a whole lot of concealer is on your brush, so you want to kind of be careful about that, because that can make or break your whole look. And you're just going to want to be very precise with this and do a half cut crease kind of deal. I use this yellow. The one thing that I would say about this palette is this yellow could be better, but honestly I can't complain. It's the rest of the palette is like absolutely amazing, and I wouldn't change anything about it, so I'm not about to like sit here and complain, but like I just want to mention that. So yeah, we're just kind of going for that like transition look, and as you can see right now it's very harsh because that's like right where the concealer stopped, but we will blend that. Alright guys, so now we're going to go back in with that same blender brush we used earlier and blend the yellow and the pink together, and also in the crease just try to blend those harsh edges. So we are just going to hope for the best and hope not to ruin this look. Wish me luck, girl. I'll be back. Okay guys, so I did just a quick line. I was going to do a wing, but I was like, you know what, I'm just not. So I just did a little liner, and I used the Makeup Forever graphic liner. Y'all know I love this, and she's a little rusty, dusty, crusty, but I still love her, so yeah. Now I'm going to be doing mascara. I'm not going to be doing lashes today because I don't want to take away from like the beautiful eyeshadow, obviously. So I'm just going to be going in with my fave, the Benefit Roller Lash. This has quickly re-became one of my favorite mascaras. It's just so good. This and Better Than Sex is just so good. Alright guys, so I just applied mascara, and I'm not going to be doing skin today just because I'm going to be doing a separate video on that, but I actually wanted to do a lip because I just think it'll, you know, complement the look. So I am going to be going in with the, just need to see which one looks better. No. Ooh, this could actually be really pretty. This is very similar. If you follow my Instagram, go follow it. It'll be on the screen somewhere now. It's my makeup Instagram. But I actually did this look for Easter and then put a little Easter bunny. But yeah, that was just a little separate thing. I don't know why I said that, but yeah. Anyways, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Diva. This is, I mean, honestly, Jeffree Star's liquid lipsticks are one of my favorite formulas ever. These lipsticks and then the Tarte liquid lipsticks are my favorite formulas ever. The Jeffree Star ones can be a bit more drying at times, but honestly I don't really mind because most of the times my lips aren't chapped, so just make sure to wear a chapstick under if you have really dry lips. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really enjoyed the way it turned out. I like it maybe even a little better than the one I did before. I did do a wing with the other one, but I don't know. I kind of like the main focus to be on the eyes, and this lipstick really brings out the color. And I don't know, I just really enjoyed it. So yeah, peep me trying to make a thumbnail. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you so much. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.